Here's interesting app, Yepp memes and meme maker. So let's just tap to install it. Let's just tap get, and then use your Touch ID to install it. And yeah, Yepp is the first app where you can get paid for making memes and sharing them with friends. Now you have a fancy job title for a social network's bio. You're a meme producer. No more need for Photoshop or complicated editing apps. Now every meme from your endless meme feed is editable. We made the simplest meme maker based on machine learning or OCR technologies. So you can just change captions to any picture with a few taps. So discover memes from creators, follow profiles to like, share memes with friends. The more users you invite, the more you can earn as well. So yeah, that's interesting concept. Let's open up the app and let's explore it. There is another app in this category which is going viral called Mimix, where you can also add captions to the memes. So yeah, there is some trend with these apps recently. So there you have it. There is some privacy policy. So something like that. And then you can just create an account here. Continue with Apple. Or you can sign up with Google. Then later you can verify. Earn 10 YC every day just by watching memes. Create memes. Earn YC every 100 views your memes get. And yeah, so something like that. So now you have your profile, you have all your subs, you can check your balance, you can see your wallet. I don't know if it's working with cryptocurrency, probably it does. So then you can just tap to create a new meme, trending now. So now you have like building the meme. So it's basically creator app. So now here you can just edit those. So for example, you can just delete those and then so for example, and then you can just add something like this. Yeah, I don't know, like whatever. And then you can just add like meme preview, add tags, only me, all users, and then you can just tap next and then just post it in specific category. So of course then there are some ads. And yeah, so then there you have it. That's your meme. And then you can get some like these coins just by people watching your meme. So that's basically the idea. That's how it works. You can see all the account stats. You can see meme unique views. You can see likes. You can withdraw VIP coins, Yepp coins, but yeah, a lot of ads here. So anyhow, that's basically how it works. And then you can just browse through the memes here in the feed. And it's like a meme browser basically. Uh, so yeah, something like that. Pretty cool actually. It's kind of I don't know. It's of course it's similar to any other like social media, but it's just solely focused on memes, and maybe it's a good niche. Uh, so definitely give it a try. Check it out. I'm just trying it out as well. So yeah, hope it's helpful.